Alright guys, this video is going to walk you through how to start your HomeStyler project, how to get logged in, and that sort of stuff to get you started. Now, when you normally come to HomeStyler, if it doesn't save your login, you're going to click Sign In. But for this first time, you're going to click Join Now. And you're going to click Sign In with Google. Okay, or Create Account. It'll create an account for you. Then you are going to choose your Google account for school. And then it'll start to create, you'll see your little image there. Now, what you want to do is you're going to click Start Designing. And it's going to take you to this home page. Okay, exit out of anything that pops up. Now this is your starting page where you start with. What I want you to do is draw your 4 container homes first. So what I am in right now is create room. Okay, so I'm going to draw rooms. And I'm going to draw my first one. So you see the graph paper here. I'm going to go on the corner of it. I'm going to click once and start kind of pulling my room out. Now our container homes are 8 by 20, so I want this one to go the long way. So I'm going to type in 20 feet, and then I'm going to hit the tab button on my keyboard to go to the other measurement, and I'm going to type in 8 feet, and then hit enter. So this just gave me a 28 by 20, like my container home, okay? Now I'm going to draw 4 more of those, so you're going to lay out your design however it is. So again, you're going to type in 20 feet, tab, 8 feet, enter. So now I've got my 2 container homes. Now if I want my other one to come off to the side here and probably hang down, okay, or maybe it comes up, I'm going to start up here, I'm going to pull it down, and I can always move it later, okay, 8 feet by 20 feet. Oh, I forgot to hit 20 feet, tab, 8 feet, enter. Undo it. I'm going to start from here actually. Okay, now I'm going to do my 8 feet, 20 feet, enter. And then if my other container home's coming off this way, 8 feet, tab, 20 feet, enter. So now you can see my 4 container homes. Now just to go over a couple of features of HomeStyler. To draw walls. So if I want to just draw a wall going across to form my bathroom, I'm going to choose by edge, and that creates the walls for you. Okay? You have the undo button if you ever make a mistake. Doors, I would go here for doors. I'm going to show you somewhere else to go for doors, so ignore these. These are just openings for them. They don't actually put a door or a window in the spot, okay? So you're going to come to create room if you ever need to draw walls. You can delete walls just as easily, okay? So I'm going to click off of create room, and I'm just going to go to customize, model library. And if you choose a wall, oh, I'm still on draw walls. Hold on. Undo. Undo. Okay. If you come to model library, this is where you will find under construction all your wall openings, your doors, your windows, skylights, ceilings, molding. You can find everything in construction. Okay. And then if you choose the specific category, then you can find the actual doors that you want to put in. Just click it, move it to the spot that you want it to go, and then it's there. Okay? If you want to delete a wall, so let's say I want this wall gone right here. I'm going to click on it because it's naturally segmented when you have other walls there, and you can just go delete, and it'll make it a nice open area. Most likely you need some of those walls in there for your bathroom and your bedrooms and stuff, but if you ever want to delete the walls, like I probably want to delete this huge wall separating my open area, I can delete it, and now I have my big open area. So under construction here is all the doors, windows, that sort of stuff. You come down to catalog. Here is all of your furniture, and there is so much, okay? So you got your living room, your sofas, sofa sets, rugs, curtains. You come down, here's all your bedroom stuff, dining room, kitchen. If you are looking for kitchen sets, go to cabinet set. That is where all your countertop sets, and this is probably the easiest way to put a kitchen into your container home, okay? Now, once you place something in, you have the option to turn it using this blue arrow here, and you can turn it all the way around. You also, and I don't want you to unlock many things, like my kitchen should stay pretty much the same size because that's to scale. But let's say if I go to a kitchen table and I want to put a kitchen table in here, and it doesn't quite fit in my space, it's a little bit big, okay? If I click on it, I can affect the width and the length, and I can make it just a little bit smaller. But notice, now it's a 3-foot table. That's not big at all. That's a mini table. So a lot of times you'll probably want to keep this to scale. Very few you can reduce it. If it's not letting you change these numbers, there's probably going to be an unlock box. You'll have to hit unlock, and then it lets you modify them. Now, if you want to go from your 2D view to your 3D view, all you have to do, so you'll see your 3D view up in the right-hand corner, is hit this switch button, and then it switches it around. And then if you hit it again, it takes you back to 2D. Now, the other really cool thing is if you have a computer mouse, it's really easy to move around. If you just click and move your mouse, it lets you swirl around and see the whole view. If you click the rolly pad rolling it in and out lets you zoom in and out. And if you hold the rolly pad down, it lets you go side by side. So a little bit easier. Okay. That's all for the starter video. Make sure you hit save as you are doing these projects. They do not save automatically, and you will lose your project if you do not. Okay? So make sure you hit save after each time and make sure it says it's been saved successfully.